Okay, this is a Kia Sorento expansion tank that allows the fluids from the radiator to go in. And I blocked off this line and blocked off that line and run it to a fitting for a bicycle pump, putting a little bit of pressure in it to find out where this leak is. And it appears to be coming from, just putting a little pressure here. You can see the water coming out through the crack there, dripping now. Okay, so that's what, now you can see there is real gap in here. I'm going to try to get some glue down in there and seal it, because it obviously is delaminated at this point. One more note, to replace this tank in Nassau, $220 for this tank. Okay, the solution was Fasco epoxy paste squeezed down into the crack, and then a very fine weave of fiberglass cloth across the top, soaking the resin into it, and then another layer of epoxy over that, so you have a nice fiberglass bond so the crack doesn't open up again.